Want to have a smartphone with a high-resolution camera but on a limited budget? Redmi 13X could be the answer. Although it falls into the entry-level category, this smartphone comes with features that are quite impressive in its class, especially the 108-megapixel main camera, which is the main attraction. For more details, take a peek at the explanation of the Redmi 13X specifications that you must know. Redmi 13X is attractive with an elegant and trendy design that is difficult to find on entry-level class phones. With a thickness of only 8.3 mm and a light weight of about 198 grams, the phone is comfortable to hold in daily activities. The flat frame gives it a trendy feel as well as a good grip, making it very ergonomic to use. It is available in 3 attractive colors, namely midnight black, silk blue, and silk gold. The silk blue and silk gold variants have a unique texture that resembles the folds of cloth, giving an elegant glossy effect when exposed to light. Redmi 13X also carries IP53 certification that resists splashes of water and light dust, further strengthening its durability in daily use. Redmi 13X features a 6.79-inch IPS LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution, 2460 by 1080 pixels, offering a clear and sharp display for multimedia needs such as watching videos and playing light games. With a refresh rate of up to 90 Hz and adaptive sync technology, the display delivers a smooth scrolling experience while saving battery power. The maximum brightness of the screen reaches 550 nits, good enough for indoor use. For eye comfort, the display features TV Rhineland low blue light, flicker-free, and circadian rhythm certifications that help reduce eye fatigue during intensive use. In addition, the screen is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass for extra protection against scratches. The Redmi 13X carries a very impressive 108-megapixel high-resolution main camera in the budget price segment. It has an aperture of 1.75, a large 1.67-inch sensor, and produces photos with excellent detail in optimal lighting conditions. The ability to zoom 3 times without quality loss is also an excellent feature that is rarely found in its class. The secondary camera is a 2-megapixel macro camera for close-up photos, while the front camera has a 13-megapixel resolution equipped with a soft light ring for optimal selfies even in low light conditions. Overall, the Redmi 13X camera performance is very competitive for daily photography needs and social media content. The Redmi 13X uses the MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra chipset with 12nm fabrication, which offers smooth performance for various daily needs, from browsing, multitasking, to light gaming. The chipset features an octa-core CPU with 2 Cortex-A75 cores for high performance and 6 Cortex-A55 cores for power efficiency. Supported by up to 16 GB of RAM with memory expansion feature from the 8 GB variant, the Redmi 13X is capable of running multiple apps simultaneously without any issues. The internal storage is available in 128 GB and 256 GB variants, which can be expanded up to 1 TB via microSD card, providing ample storage space for various user data. Redmi 13X is equipped with a large 5030 mAh battery that can be relied on for all-day use. In one charge, this phone can last up to 17 hours for watching videos and 34 hours when used on calls. In addition, the 33-watt fast charging feature allows the battery to be charged 50% in just about 26 minutes. suitable for active users who don't want to bother charging repeatedly. Interestingly, Redmi 13X battery technology is designed to stay healthy above 80% even after 1000 charges, so its lifespan is longer than other phones in its class. Not only about durability, Redmi 13X is also equipped with additional features that make the user experience more complete. There is NFC for convenient digital transactions, a fingerprint sensor on the side for security, and an IR blaster that can be used as a remote control for various devices. Although it does not support stereo speakers, this phone still has a 3.5mm audio jack for wired headset use. The Redmi 13X runs Xiaomi's HyperOS operating system, which is simple and has many interesting features, such as floating windows and flash notifications. This system has also been optimized to keep performance smooth for the next 3 years. The Redmi 13X is officially available at a very affordable price. The 8GB RAM variant with 128GB of internal storage is priced at $103, while the 8GB RAM variant with 256GB of internal storage is priced at $109. With these specifications and prices, the Redmi 13X is a very attractive choice for young and general users who are looking for a smartphone with premium features in the entry-level class.